Okay, and here we are back in the entryway. There's one other room, which is the captain's suite. So if an owner wanted to be able to live in this and operate it as a bed and breakfast, you would have separate owner's accommodation here. With a living room. And although this is below the ground level, it's only a couple feet below the ground level, so you still get a fair amount of light down here. Nice full kitchen. And we have a bedroom. The bath. And a shower unit here. And this room has its own private patio. Which walks back out to the front. Shaded from the sun. Get out of the sun's ray here. There we go. By the side of the building. I think right now this is being used as a extra rental unit or as a hotel room for people who want, a little bit more space or more privacy to have their own self-catering. And that brings us back up to the top here. Thank you.